morning, everybody. So, I'm Sulakshi from Srilanka. So, my topic is the analysis of the relationship between the land surface temperature and the NDVI by remote sensing techniques. This is the overview of my presentation. And the land surface temperature is the radiative temperature. So, it's measured by the top of atmosphere brightness temperature. And so, the extraction of the land surface temperature, we are using satellite images. So the land surface temperature estimation depend on the main factors such as the albedo of surface material, vegetation cover, urban geometry, soil moisture and snow cover. So all of you know that after the 30 years of war, so Sri Lanka has driven long development. So with the development, the Colombo district is the commercial city and it is the highest populated area in the country. According to the Department of Census and Statistics 2012 reports, this is the urban growth of the Colombo district. So the main objective of these studies is to determine the relationship between the land surface temperature and NDVI, and there are some specific objectives. Those are the estimation of the land surface temperature and the extraction of NDVI map and identify the different land cover types in NDVI using NDVI, and finally to analyze the relationship between land surface temperature and NDVI. So this is the study area map. I have chosen the Colombo district. So Sri Lanka has 25 districts. Out of the 25, Colombo is the most populated and the commercial city in the Sri Lanka. So this is the data and software that I have used for the analysis. It is the Landsat 8 OLI satellite image of 2019 January 3. So it is freely available and downloaded by US GIS Explorer. Apart from that, I have used LST 10.4 software for the further analysis. Yes. So this is the flow chart of methodology. First download the image, then subsets to study area, and from there I have used band 10, 11, 4 and 5. 10 and 11 for the extraction of land surface temperature, band 4 and 5 the extraction of NDVI. And to develop the relationship, I have select some random samples from the study area and extract NDVI values and extract land surface temperature values, and incorporation of this I can bring the relationship between the land surface temperature and NDVI. So these are the equations that I have used for the study. This is the output map. This is the land surface temperature distribution pattern in the Colombo district. The green color area is below 26 and the maximum temperature recorded was in that time 35.81 Celsius. So for the normalized difference vegetation index, I have used two bands. They are the near infrared and red. And so the value of the NDVI ranges from -1 to +1. So I have categorized the some land uses by using these values. So minus values belongs to water. Between that, high build-up area, build-up area, sparse vegetation, and the dense vegetation. These are the NDVI values that we use for the classification of these land uses. So this is the output of NDVI value and the type of land uses in the Colombo district area. So in this I have compared. So this is some samples from you can identify this is a high build-up area and then spot processing zone. So in case of that, so this is very maximum temperature can be recorded. So and this is a reserve area. So the low temperature is there, and this is also a river. So it also appears low temperature, and this is also some type of water body. So it also appears as the low temperature. So these are the random sample points that I have got from the ArcGIS software tool. There is 100 random sample points. So each of these points I have extracted value from both temperature and the NDVI. So some places you can see these are the highest temperatures in some areas and the relevant NDVI. In this case we can see low temperature and high NDVI values. So this is the scatter plot that I have used to build the relationship between NDVI and the land surface temperature. So the conclusion, according to this scatter plot, we can see there is a negative relationship between the land surface temperature and the NDVI values, and high land surface temperature values are identified in non-vegetated areas such as industrial zones, urban areas and rural areas, and the low electricity values could be identified in vegetation areas such as water, forest, valley and the marshes. Thank you.